Now let's take another look at our 18 block tower problem, but we're going to ask a different question. So in this case, I've got the question, how many blocks per tower are needed to create 9 equal-sized towers using all 18 of our blocks? So what we need to do in this problem is we need to divide our 18 block tower into 9 evenly sized smaller towers. So looking at this as a division problem, we're looking at what is the answer to 18 divided by 9. And looking at all the pieces of a division problem, we still have the dividend, the divisor, and the quotient. And in this case, our dividend is still our total number of blocks, which is 18. So our dividend is 18, total number of blocks. But this time now, our divisor is 9, and it's representing the number of smaller towers that we're going to be creating. So this time we know how many towers we are going to make. We just want to know the answer, or the quotient, is going to be the number of blocks per tower. And so to solve this problem in a drawing, using a drawing, we are going to create 9 spaces, and I've drawn 9 little lines here. Let's label them. Will help us keep track of each of our little towers. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these are going to represent the 9 towers that we're asked to make, and we're going to be using our 18 blocks to make those. So since we know that we want the same number of blocks in each tower, let's just begin by doing one block at a time over onto these smaller towers. So I'm going to start by taking my first block here and putting it in the first position. My second block I'll put over here and erase from my bigger tower of 18. Third block here and erase from the big. I'll do another block for the 4, take it away from the bigger stack. A block for the 5th tower. I always have to remember to take it away each time I move it over. I'm moving it over to the smaller stacks. And then I've got a 7th little block here. Take it away from the big one. And an 8th. Remove that. And a 9th. So I can see that I still have more blocks left in my original stack of 18. So far I have been able to place one block in each of the 9 towers. Let's see if we have enough blocks in our stack of 18 to place a second block on each of the 9 towers. So starting again here at the 1, I place a block. At the over the 2, another block. On the 3rd tower, another block. On the 4th tower, one more. On the 5th tower, another one. On the 6th tower, another block. A block for the 7th tower. A block for the 8th tower. And look at that. We've got one block left that will be placed on our 9th tower. So we have now, by a drawing, visually with some blocks, we have now solved our division problem. We can see that we have created 9 smaller towers. We started out with 9 smaller towers, and that each of our towers has 2 blocks in it. So our answer here in our division sentence, 18 divided by 9 equals 2. And then let's just read the problem one more time and answer the question. How many blocks per tower are needed to create 9 equal-sized towers? So we've got our 9 equal-sized towers, and we did use all 18 of our blocks. And so the answer is 2 blocks per tower.